Strap in and prepare for G-force. This footage takes you directly into the cockpit of a U.S. Air Force fighter jet, showing what it takes to fly during Exercise Bright Star 25. U.S. Air Force Captain Nathan Feldman and Captain Christopher Brown, both 55th Expeditionary Fighter Squadron pilots, during a composite air operation with the Egyptian Air Force at Cairo West Air Base, Egypt. The United States is one of over 40 countries participating in Bright Star 25, a multilateral U.S. Central Command exercise held with the Arab Republic of Egypt.